Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will answer to you about my middle test. Okay, the number one is how many token types and lexeme. At the sentence I say now, just as I said yesterday, that the price of a wombat is high, but the price of a platypus is higher. Okay, token in the sentence is 24, type is 19, and lexeme is 20. Okay, what is the definition of token? Token is an individual occurrence of a linguistic in speech with a writing total, or we say token is the total of the word in the sentence. Type, which is an abstract category or category of linguistic. Type is item or unit. Type are different forms spelling of word. Okay, lexeme is the semblance of unit of word in a language and as usual enter as an entry or lexicon in dictionary. Okay, number 2. Lexical, the language component that contains all information about the meaning and use of word in the language. The wealth of words that a speaker, writer, or language has vocabulary word list arranged like a dictionary but with a brief and practical explanation. Lexeme is a unit of lexical meaning that underlies a set of words that are related through inflection. It is a basic abstract unit of meaning. Okay, next to the number 3. Bed formation. Bed formation is the process of forming words by separating affix or which are basic words of a word. Bed formation is also defined as transition of part of word that result in change to the class of word from the formation. Example: editor, more form or triggered, then it becomes edit. Clipping is the process of forming words by cutting off parts of the word itself. Clipping is also defined as the process of forming words derived from words that have more than one syllables. That gets the process of cutting words at the beginning or end. Example: gasoline became. Okay, next to the number 4. Transparency is the condition of being see-through. An example of transparency is the fact that you can see through glass. Usefulness. Simple. The quality of state of being useful, utility, service labels, and facts. For example, apply, employ, use, utilise, unity, and useful. Okay, next to the number 5. Ablaut is the systematic change of vowels to form the different tense. It used to be systematic in Indo-European and the only way to form the past tense. But in the Germanic language, a new way of expressing this grammatical information emerged, which led to the gradual degradation of this older set of rules. If you look at grammars of Middle High gets. For example, you will find 7 umlaut, but they already contain lots of exceptions. Why? Sing, sang, sung are umlauts. Umlaut. Umlaut is one meaning of a word are two dots above a, o, u, but this meaning is secondary. The primary meaning was the phenomenon, but due the asymmetry process and next to the number 6, trilateral root, consisting of 3 letters, especially of 3 consonants, usually of roots in semantic language. Template morphology is a term which is used for system or non-consensitive morphology in which it is difficult or impossible to analyze the formation of complex words as the addition of affix one by one to stem. Usually one finds discontinuous dependence between affix. Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.